Hello, welcome to Sktacademy. I hope everything will be fine. Let's create a floor plan in AutoCAD. My plot size is 19 feet 6 inches by 35 feet. Before starting, I will select my units first. UN for units. Select architectural, or you may select engineering units also. Okay, and then I will set my limits. 100 feet by 100 feet is enough. Z enter and then E enter for extends. First I will lock my UCS icon and then no to lock my UCS. Now REC for rectangle, 19 feet 6 inches by 35 feet. You must be careful about planning because this plot size is very small. I will take an offset of 9 inches to the inner side of the rectangle. Then I will explode it. Now I will take an offset of 12 feet and I will take another offset of 9 inches. Now take an offset of 13 feet and then I will take an offset of 4.5 feet, 4.5 inches, and let's also take an offset of 4.5 inches. I will delete this line. So let's DI for distance, I think 5 feet, yeah, trim it. Now take an offset of 5 feet again and 4.5 inches. So this will be our bath and this will be our open area. Trim it to make some adjustments, extend it and trim again to clean my design. Now take an offset of 10 feet again. This area will be our dining and drawing. Offset 9 inches again and offset 7 feet. Offset 9 inches again 7 feet and offset 9 inches. You may also take offsets of 4.5 inches, but I think 9 inches will be good. Fillet it and trim it to make our drawing clean and fillet here. This area will be our kitchen. Now we'll take offset of 3 feet for stairs. Again offset 3 feet. Line. Offset 10 inches. Yeah, trim it here and take a line like this. Now, or you can if you want, so I will undo it, draw a line again, and I think 8 inches will be enough for this design. This area is a bit too smaller. Yeah, and offset 8 inches again, trim it, offset 8 inches. I will trim it. This may be continue to this area, but I will take an offset of 4.5 inches and then 42 inches. Yeah, extend it and trim it. You may modify my design what I am doing. You may make changes, but I think first you must design what I am doing and then try modification for better results. Now trim it, and I will take an offset. First I will draw a line, offset 21 inches to each side, so it will be overall 42 inches. Now if you don't want to make windows here, I will make windows to this side, to open area, and this area will be open to sky. I will draw another line. Yeah, it will be like this. You also may draw a line here for ventilation, for better ventilation. Offset 18 inches to each side. I will draw a line, and again offset 18 inches to each side. Delete it and trim it. Take a line here, offset 3 inches, 3 inches and 3 inches. So this will be an open to area, open to sky area. For better ventilation, we have windows here. Now offset 4.5 inches and offset 3 feet. Extend it, trim it, and we must have a ventilation here. 18 inches will be in it to each side, so we'll draw a line again, offset 3 inches, 3 inches and 3 inches. If you want to extend it, maybe 4 or 5 feet. Now take an offset of 1 feet from this side. Yeah, offset 8 feet, and I will trim it. Offset 4 inches. Just trim it. Yeah, now I will import some furniture here. So I'll pause the video, and in last you will see how I apply layers on my drawing, and it will be finished. So stay tuned. I am in the design center. Let's import bed, sofa, table, double sofa. I'll pause the video to place it, and then we will resume it. So I have done importing and placing my furniture. Now I will try to make new layers. So area for layers, and new layer, walls, window, door, stairs, sorry, and give it a color. okay, select a wall and walls. Now map or match property, select this one and now select walls. Sorry, this is how you can apply on walls. Now select furniture, map or match property, now select door and apply on door, map or match property, I'll apply a white color on my doors, and on my windows I will apply gradient H. Also I will apply gradient H in between these spaces, so my design will look very good. Select all these and apply stairs. H for H, and I will apply gradient H. So select gradient, or you may apply solid. Both will be blue. Enter again, sorry, H, and again apply gradient, 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 yeah, and click, sorry, enter. Apply a different H here. You may apply solid color and solid color here, solid color, you may also apply a color here, but I don't think it will be as that much as beautiful. So in last I will apply dimensions. First I will set style st for textile, and I will set my dimension text for my dimension new, and for example dimension 1. Height will be 1 feet. Yeah, I want Arial. Apply, close. Now depot dimension style manager, new, again them 1. Just a few changes here. Set my primary units to architectural, and my precision will be 1/4. I want my text what I already selected is dimension 1. I want ISO standard, and here we have to select your arrowhead. Close fill is good. or you may apply architectural tick and increase arrow size. And in lines I just want to extend beyond dimension line, and just I want an offset from the origin point. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, now set current and close. Just 2 dimensions I needed, DLI for dimension linear, 915 feet 6 inches, and another one is 35, so you can apply it in interior walls also for better result. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you will like my videos. If you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, like it and share it. See you in next videos. Bye.